Hello everyone, we are back. I'm going to make a quick review on Jupyter in the today lessons. Some of you may ask what is Jupyter and what is its different with Google Colab. The Jupyter creates a IPMB file. I'm going to teach you some of its function. We can run cell and pass cell from here, and you can also use these things, or you can cut, copy selected cell or paste the selected cells here. You can also have edit. It has some function. You can use a split cells. For example, some of you may ask what is a split cell is. Let's click on it. You see, it creates another cell. And here, control cell is not working very well, but you can use it. You also have merge cell, move cell up, edit notebook metadata, find and replace, cut, copy, and many other things you can use here. You can also have view, insert, cell, run cells, run all, cell type. You can change the cell type. You have kernel here. You have widgets and you have help. You can use everything here, but some of you may ask how we save our file. We done it. You can download the save file here. Download as. These formats we don't need them. You can use python.py or the format notebook IPMB. Notebook IPMB is more for the persons who use the Python as a lab, and it's useful for doing some researches. As you see, when we download it by Python, it don't have any cells and all the things are in one line of code, and I don't like it like that. But if we download it, you see here, if we download it file, download as IPMB, let me just copy that. When you open it, it's not going to show you anything. Some of you may ask why, because you need to open it by Jupyter or by any other app that open your work. For example, I think I have PyCharm, and that can open the IPMB file. PyCharm is another ideally for trust projects, another ideally we can use for programming. I use it in the past, but it's some kind of not the thing I like and I want, because it's not free and stay enlightened. It's not free and it take a lot of money to buy its license, and I don't like it. But you see, some of them may think you are a more programmer if you use that. If you like, you can buy and use it from the JetBrains side. It's not free, but it's usable. You see how beautiful that file saved. But if we save that, you can also open the file in Visual Studio Code. You see, it's saved great. And in IPMB file, you can also save the runs here. You have the history of your runs, but when you save them in Python file, for example, let's open it here. You see, it's nothing beautiful like here. This is the end. I just want to give you a brief interview on Jupyter and IPMB file. You don't need to remember everything around this session, because maybe another time I give you a complete review about idealities, but not for now. Until that lesson, don't forget to ask me if you have any specific question in comments, and like and subscribe.